Understanding Remote Broadcast, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's commonly used in media and technology: remote broadcast. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Remote broadcast refers to the process of broadcasting a live event, television show, radio program, or other media content from a location outside the usual studio setting. It involves sending both audio and video from a remote location back to the main studio or directly to the audience. There are a few key elements that make up a remote broadcast. 1. Location. This is where the broadcast is happening. It can be anywhere other than the usual studio, a sports event, a music concert, or even a news scene. 2. Equipment. Special equipment is needed to capture and transmit the audio and video. This includes cameras, microphones, and transmission devices. 3. Transmission. This is how the content gets from the remote location to the audience. It can be done through satellite, internet, or other broadcasting technologies. To help you understand better, here are some examples. A news reporter broadcasting live from the scene of a major event. A sports match being broadcast live from the stadium. A live concert being shown on TV, where the concert is happening in a different city. Remote broadcasting is crucial because it allows viewers and listeners to experience events in real time, no matter where they are happening. It brings diverse content to audiences that might not be accessible otherwise. That's all about remote broadcast. It's a fascinating aspect of media and technology, bringing real-time events from around the world right to our screens and speakers. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll be using terms like remote broadcast with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.